In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cumulative delta volume in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be a crypto pair, a stock, a futures contract, anything you normally trade. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the Indicators menu. At the top of your TradingView interface, you'll see a toolbar that runs horizontally across the chart. Look for the button labelled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply different tools to your chart. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This is where we're going to look up the Cumulative Delta Volume tool. Taking a moment to click and make sure the box is selected helps avoid typing somewhere else by accident, especially if you have multiple windows or monitors. Now type Cumulative Delta Volume into the search box. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators. Depending on your setup and what scripts you've favorited, you might see a few different results, including built-in indicators and community scripts. Look carefully for the version you want to use. Many traders prefer well-rated community scripts or specific versions designed for futures and order flow, so take a second to read the names and descriptions that appear. Once you've found the cumulative delta volume indicator you want, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see the cumulative delta volume displayed in a separate pane below your price chart, or overlaid if that's how the script is configured. From here, you can customize the settings by hovering over the indicator name, clicking the settings icon, and adjusting things like colors, line thickness, or calculation options, depending on what the script offers. Keep in mind that many of the more advanced and smoother performing tools, as well as better real-time data, work best with TradingView Pro. If you'd like to upgrade or support the channel at the same time, you can use my affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, and it helps me continue making tutorials like this. And that's all you need to do to add cumulative delta volume in TradingView Pro.